All right, Rob Frazier here. Haven't been doing videos. Been all over the place, man. Anyways, wanted to just crank out this quick video talking about MLM Lead Pro. This basically is what I'm hanging my hat on. Not joining anything else in affiliate marketing ever, unless these programs go away. Then that's it. But anyways, MLM Lead Pro. Edward Keat created a system, 5-step system. I finally combined it with my crypto retirement plan. And when I say retirement plan, that's what I mean. That's how I'm going to not have to always be out doing videos and marketing. So with this whole thing, you're going to learn 3 things. 2 things, 3 things. You're going to learn about AI, the buzzword artificial intelligence. You're going to learn about that in step 1 and also in step 4. You're going to learn about AI. You're going to learn about digital affiliate marketing. Some people call it affiliate marketing. Some people call it digital marketing. It's the new buzzword. Whatever that marketing is you want to call it, that's what you're going to learn. And you're going to learn how to use AI to do it. So I guess there's 2 things. And then the third thing is how to trade. You're going to learn you're going to learn exactly what I do. So what I do is I make a little bit of money. I take a percentage of that money, put it in my trading accounts, put a percentage of that money, put it into traffic. My affiliate marketing funds my trading funds my life. And it's just a very simple, straightforward process. And once affiliate marketing income and trading income is at a certain level, it's like the whole thing just works on autopilot. There's those programs. Some people call them revenue sharing programs. Some people call them, high yield programs. All of these trading programs. I've joined my fair share of those things over the years, gotten scammed left, right, and center. But the funny thing is, I actually created my own version of it. And no, it's not a rev share. It's an actual, it's a way you can set up your own rev share, if that makes sense. So if you learn how to trade and you learn about crypto, and then you learn about marketing, and then you take your cash flow and just divide it up, you can create your own wheel of perpetual income. Because once you trade and make a few bucks every single day, take that money, put it in your pocket. The goal always was $50 a week, and that was always like a magical number. If you can learn in step 2 how to trade, and you'll learn how to trade even if you don't know anything about crypto. If you don't know anything about crypto, you're the best student. You will learn, because it's the people who think they know do worse. Trust me, because I've been one of those people. So the idea is to trade a little bit, make a little bit of money, withdraw a little bit, buy a little bit of traffic every single week, feed the system, and as your affiliate earnings grow, your trading account grows, the money you put in your pocket grows, and it's just a wheel. And sooner or later, you won't have to do marketing if you don't want to. You can just do trading. I say just keep cranking both. But anyways, step 1, Edward Keat's MLM Lead Pro. Also, I wanted to throw out the update. It does have a blueprint wizard. So when you sign up, go through the blueprint wizard. It will tell you exactly how to set this thing up. So I don't know if I'm going to put this as video 1. That's another thing I'm doing. I'm putting together a 28-day boot camp. And I know 28 days sounds like a lot. A lot of people do 7-day boot camp, 90-day boot camp, blah, blah, blah. 28-day boot camp, and I'm going to repeat it month after month after month after month after month after month after month, because it's the same programs. It's the same traffic sources. It's just me documenting what I'm doing and working with people to get them to get to a level of freedom in their own life, which is pretty much it. So anyways, wrapping this video up. I don't know if I'm going to make this video 1, but MLM Lead Pro is free. Step 1, MLM Lead Pro, get an account. There's a program attached to it, but you don't need to join it right now, just out the gate. But just get the free MLM Lead Pro account, number 1, and go through the blueprint wizard, number 2. So 2 mini steps. Number 1, free MLM Lead Pro account, bam. Takes like 2 seconds. Links will be below the video. And then once you do that and you get access to your back office, go through step 2, go through the blueprint wizard. You don't need to join all the programs right now today, blah, 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 blah. All you need to do is just get your free account and go through the wizard. Once you go through the wizard, then we can talk about the next steps. And that'll be part of my 28-day boot camp. So I actually think I'll put this video as number 1. If you have any questions, leave them underneath the video. Anything I can answer. But step 1, get your free MLM Lead Pro account. Step 2, go through the blueprint wizard. Don't do anything else until you do those 2 steps. And then, boom, it's very simple. So anyway, wrapping this video up. Rob Frazier here. See you in the next one. Peace!